guys, welcome to my channel Niki Art. I hope you're all doing well today. 5 ways today with 2 new pigments by TLP, this little piggy pigments from the Fluid Art company. I'm using 2. One is a fluoro colour, like a reddy orange. I don't know the actual term for it, but it's called Inferno, and the other one is a really gorgeous bright pearlescent yellow called Submarine, and I'm using them with other colours, as you can see with it on the screen, and it will all be listed in the description box below. And the canvas is an 8-inch heart canvas, and it's just showing you all the different ways that you'll be able to use these pigments. So hope you enjoy, and I'll let you watch.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all that Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Can you feel the 779? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in.
So there's a sneak peek at these new pigments that are coming out from Fluid Art Co. This little piggy pigments, I'm not sure of the date, but there's some more colours coming out as well, which I shall be giving you a sneak peek at those soon too. So I hope you like them, and please like, share and subscribe, and take care, stay safe, and thanks so much for being here with me, and thank you for all the lovely comments. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.